We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, customers like this telling us about their experience makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing for us is that they take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away as a very satisfied customer. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.